Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield. I'm feeling a little bit better after getting me flu. What's 7 days ago now? God, it feels like I've had it for weeks and weeks. But yeah, feeling a little bit better. Still not 100%. I can feel the cold on my chest now is getting a bit irritable. So yeah, I won't be staying out long. But yeah, thanks for all the well wishes, by the way. From the last video, the comments section is full of them. So yeah, I thank everyone for that. So anyway, why I'm here is, you see just there, new sections being lifted into place. Okay, so that's one of the spans. Now I have to give all credit to Paul Frost on this, because that lad is out all day, every day, waiting for all these to be lifted and stuff. So you go and check his channel out, you see the lift going on. So the only reason I know about this happening is watching Paul Frost videos. He gets everything, and he must be freezing. But yeah, no, Paul, well done mate, you got me out today. So yeah, top man for getting the footage. So yeah, so I'm getting what I can today, try and get some different angles of it. But if you're like me, you can't picture anything until it's actually done. This is what that section, you know, you see it on the ground, but you still can't picture it. Even when the backspans were ready to go up, I was looking at them thinking, I just don't get it. I can't picture it until it's actually up, you know what I mean? So yeah, but that's how it looks once it's up. So I'll get around the front. So yeah, I'll try and cover as many angles just as I can. Not going to cover any comments today, but if you've got any questions, the next video is going to be a comments one. So get your questions in. But yeah, you can see how it's looking now, and it makes sense once you look at it. But if you're like me, I've just got no vision unless I can actually see it. I'd be a terrible architect, or you know, a room designer, because I see a blank room, just see a blank room. I don't see any potential in it. And then when you see it there, you go, oh right, it's nice that. I'm just one of them people that cannot see it. But yeah, it looks good. So I'm assuming that the section for this one will be in, obviously before the Christmas break, I reckon. But yeah, so let's get more angles of this. Yeah, the ground's still frozen. Yeah, let's see where I'm. So there's me right in the middle there. Doesn't look that bad from here, but it looks pretty white from the grounds. Unless you look over by the lake, it's looking a bit more greener, but you can see that from here. There's a little bit of a lift going on there. What is that? So I'm looking on a phone screen. I can see in the air, but it's still quite a small box type thing. So I'm still got a home and start post-processing. I can't actually zoom in to see what it is. So there'll obviously be a zoom in now on it, letting people see. I'll just follow that section, see where it goes. Really taking shape though, guys. It's looking good, but you still can't believe it's going to be ready for the next season, can you? Right. Around here. I'm looking in the air, there's nothing in my way. Actually, it's going to obscure my view, touching it. And we'll go there, then bring it down. That'll be the best view I get of that. yeah, so anything you want to know, because obviously they're going to have a shutdown soon, aren't they, for Christmas break, which they deserve because they're working in this weather. Must be absolutely killing them. But yeah, they'll be having a shutdown, so anything that you want to see during the Christmas break, let me know. Don't have to be about Liverpool, don't have to be about Everton, just anything in general. I can start my process of bringing different things during the break, you see, so I don't have to concentrate on getting up here and everything. You know, at least once a week, try and get there twice a week if we cancel that. You know, that could be 4 days out my week. So I can concentrate it in different areas. So anything that people want to see, let me know. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. So let me just get over to this next piece. I'm assuming that's the last big major piece to go in, isn't it? You know what, I'll get some top downs of the corners as well. Yeah, so that's going to be the last piece to go in. That's going to replicate the piece that's already gone up on the other side. And that's to go on this side, on the main stand side. Okay. Well, that would have been a good little angle, wouldn't it, of that? Alright, let's have a little look there. Yeah, it's going to be a short one, because I only wanted to get that the footage of that Paul Frost had put on yesterday. So yeah, again, you don't follow Paul Frost, go to his channel. He's probably first at everything, to be fair. I'd like to have the time to wait and see if I can get any of this, but you know, it's hard, especially the way I've been feeling lately. So there's that box being, what is it? Right there. Let me get round here. You can hear the ground crunching under my feet. Oh, I can't wait too into this to see what it is. You know, I'm going to walk over to it. So I'll keep the drone concentrated there, because I can see it from the area. I'll have to skip. Right, everyone relax, calm down. Don't get excited, it's just a skip. A very, very small skip. Some sort. What is it? Is it a skip? Right, so just get over the ground. I've had to cut a little section out there. As people know, I don't like cutting my videos, but sometimes you have to. No. Well, I'll have a look down at the pitch as well while I'm here. There's a lot going on there, there's not. But what's that on the in front of the cop? You can see grow lamps on here at the right hand side there. Don't know what that is. Okay, I'll find out once I zoom in. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I'm probably going to get my phone out now and have a little walk around, see if there's anything of interest I can video. If there's not, this will be the end of the video. If there is, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, speak to you all soon. Look after yourselves. Right, so come round to the Shankly gates, you know, to show you what I was on about when I said that they're taking all the walls out. So yeah, so that's obviously getting kept in. Then all that's been removed, and the other side leading up to the Anfield Road, that's been removed. So they're just keeping the gates in. So what it is, when the ground lets out, instead of a bottleneck getting through the gates happens, there's just going to be bollards here instead, so people just filter through. The gates are staying where they are because they have to, because you know, the legendary gates, aren't they? So yeah, they'll be staying there, but bollards will be getting put in, and people just filter through and then leave the aim dead easy instead of bottlenecking through the gate. Okay, and here's that latest piece that's been lifted into place. I'm not sure you can hear me because of all the work going on here. It's a bit loud, well, hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, there's that piece up there, still held in place until it's all secured. But yeah, it's looking impressive now from here. Just the sheer size of it, look great. Well, again, the camera doesn't do it any justice. It's massive though. So heading away now, it's a little bit quieter here. Yeah, as I stopped recording, then one of the workers started shouting at me. Not major, just a little bit of banter. He said it's good, but it's not as good as the Emirates. So he must be an Arsenal fan working on this site. So I had a little chat to him, just confirmed that yeah, bollards are going in there, and that was it really. But yeah, he was in good spirits considering it's freezing cold. So back in here, Stanley Park, looking to back into the stand again now, and that's where it's held into place there. So I was just over this wall here somewhere, looking at the gates, the Shankly gates. Yeah, looking good. Looking massive, to be fair, like. I'll keep saying it, but it really is looking big. So let's have a little film along here, and there's guys at the end on the cherry picker there, so once I get down that end I'll have a little zoom in, see what they're doing, and then probably leave it there. So what exactly he's working on, I don't know. It's obviously the underside of the girder there, innit? But when I first got it, he was working on the underside of that, you know, slanty bit. What are we working on now, I don't know. He's on the move again. Yeah, I don't think there's anything too exciting going on here, so I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching the videos, and again, any comments, let me know. I'll answer your questions, or anything you want to know, just ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Okay, look after yourselves.